welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. We are halfway through Thursday, which means we are that much closer to the weekend. So, yay! So, as you can see from the title down below, today we have a ColourPop haul. I don't know why it didn't come in its normal pretty box. It came in this box, but this is what it came in, so this is what we're gonna unbox. Box cutter. Oh, it like flew out when yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Again, I hope you all are having a terrific day. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. We do lots of unboxings, sneak peek videos, live streams, giveaways. We always have a great time. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you have not already. And please do make sure that you leave a comment down below telling me about your day, telling me what you think of this haul, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps me out. So without further ado, let's get in here. I actually ordered this stuff a while back, and I had gotten an email that there was a delay in shipping. I'm not sure why. Maybe that has something to do with this, to why it's in like this other box, because usually it's in a cute little like ColourPop box. But in standard ColourPop fashion, we do have the massive layers of bubble wrap. I honestly don't even remember what I ordered. Like all of a sudden, I don't know. I'm gonna have to take a look here, because some of this I do not remember. Okay. Well, that's cute. It says ColourPop. You're a peach. All right. Okay, so we are just gonna get in here and take a look. The one thing I I remember ordering this face product. I remember ordering the Blue Moon palette, and then I ordered the Shook to the Coral set, and I'm guessing that I did not realize how much was actually in the set, because there's things here that I did not realize were coming. So we will start with these items. This was one thing that I had been eyeing, and like I said, I had to have this. So this is the Fourth Ray Beauty Watermelon Face Milk. I don't know what face milk is, but it just sounded really, really awesome. A refreshing drop of moisture to balance skin, formulated with watermelon seed oil, bamboo milk, cucumber water, and aloe. This lightweight formula will replenish hydration for a healthier, softer complexion. Apply 2 to 3 drops in between. I can't read. Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. Use as needed. And of course, it is cruelty-free and vegan. It says the watermelon seed oil is known to help restore moisture while also balancing skin. Bamboo milk known to hydrate and condition skin. Cucumber water supports healthy hydrated skin, and aloe is known to replenish hydration and soften skin. So there is it in the box. And then outside the box. So we just have, oh, okay. Well, let's just see. This is a glass bottle, but there again is the actual bottle. So let's, gosh, just that little drop, I can smell the watermelon. Oh, and the cucumber. And that went into my skin like so soft and amazing. So I'm really excited about that. And then the Blue Moon palette, they've been, seems like they've released quite a few of the monochromatic palettes. This is actually for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I do have the Tarte Icy Bitch palette. So I really didn't need another blue palette, but I figured I could throw this in for the 4,000 subscriber giveaway, and one of you guys would enjoy it. So we will just open it and take a peek, but we won't obviously swatch anything because it's not mine to swatch. It's for you guys. So this is the palette outside of the box. And that is really pretty. So those colors are gorgeous. And it obviously does have a mirror. I'm just covering it. So one of you guys will definitely enjoy this, I hope. Alright, so back in the box it goes. Alright, so, and then the next, I guess everything goes together. Like I said, this was all from the Shook to the Coral. It was like a group. I have the Mar palette. I wanted the Soul palette. And then there were just a few things with it that looked really cute and pretty, and so I just got the collection. So this is the Soul palette. Very pretty. Like I said, I have the Mar, which is kind of the sister to this palette. Ooh, I'm excited. So here are the colors. Aren't they gorgeous? So pretty. Lots of warm tones. I am in like bronze. I'm really liking this like a lot. I like that a lot. I can't wait to play with this guy. And then this, I believe, is one of their new highlighting sticks. Sticks Light on the Glow. Acting Up is the color. Let's take it out. And this is what it looks like. This is Acting Up. So there is the color. I'm actually not going to swatch this because I know I won't use this, so this will get put to the side for a future giveaway. It just all came in a bundle, and it was a really good sale. So, and then here, this is actually from the Kathleen Lights collection. This is a loose pigment in the Ram. So let's take a look. This, I can already tell you, will also be put to the side for a giveaway because I don't really do loose pigments. So, ooh, but that is pretty. That is like really pretty. I'm not gonna touch it. Look, y'all, that is pretty, but I don't do loose pigments. In all honesty, they scare me. So, this will be in a future giveaway as well. And as with most, if not all of ColourPop's items, this is cruelty free. And then we have, what are you? We have 2 cream gel liners. Put me on your lids. Okay. We have Overboard and Honey Dude. So these are both eyeliners. Put me on your lid. So this is Overboard. Right here. It's a brown. And Honey Dude. This is actually a really pretty color to brighten up your waterline. All right, and then the final item here is one of the new So Juicy Plumping Glosses, Your Lips But Bigger. And this is in the color For the Clout. And again, this is the packaging. All right. And this is really, really pretty. Like, this is totally one of my, like, a color. I need to go get my nails done again, and this is literally, like, probably a color I'll go for. Like, I just love this, like, beautiful coral color. I'm actually going to put this on over, I have one of the Stila Stay All Day liquid lips on. Put this on over it and see. And it comes up just like that. Well, my lips are tingling. I know it's a plumping gloss, so obviously it's going to do that. It definitely has a minty feel, if that makes sense, and like, I don't know how to explain it. I really like it. It's not too tacky or anything, and I like it. But it does have like a minty smell or something, and my lips, like I said, definitely are tingling. So anyway, that was my ColourPop haul. So what do you guys think? Are you excited about the Blue Moon palette being in the 4,000 subscriber giveaway? And then we've got a couple other goodies that'll be put to the side for another future giveaway. I'm excited about this Watermelon Face Milk, the Soul palette. I'm loving this gloss. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the day. And again, happy Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Yay. I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.